Hello everyone, welcome to session 8 of security testing video series. In this session, I am going to explain the difference between performing the security testing manually versus performing the security testing using some tools. So let's get started. So guys, there are two things, right? One is manual security testing. Other side we have security testing tools. Performing security testing using tools, guys. Fine. So what exactly is manual security testing? So when we perform security testing without using any tools, without using any tools, if you are able to perform the security testing and identify vulnerabilities, okay? Here in manual security testing, you are not using any tools. Instead, you are like a normal person. You are just sitting before the system, opening the application that need to be performed security testing for, and then you are applying all the techniques that you have in your mind, and then as a result, you are identifying some security loopholes or vulnerabilities in the given application where you have performed the security testing in a manual way. So this is known as manual security testing. What about security testing tools? Performing security testing using tools. Here, guys, as the name states, we will be using tools. Okay, there are a lot of tools in security testing, guys. There are a lot of tools. So what is the purpose of tools in general? They will make your job easy. Okay, tools will make your job easy. So you don't have to put all your brain, right? Simply use the tool and tool will give you all the results. A report will be generated within minutes and you will be sharing that report at your work. That's what the tools are, right? But manually, you need to spend a lot of time. You have to brainstorm and you have to assess the application, thinking in all directions, like what are all the vulnerabilities that can be expected, right? So, but using security testing tools, this will make our job easy, guys. Simply run the tool on the application, give the URL and URL of the application in the tool, and tool will tell you what are all the vulnerabilities that are there in the application that you are testing. What are all the security loopholes that are there in the application? The tool will tell you. That's how simple the tools are. So most people prefer or show interest in performing security testing or learning security testing with using tools, guys. Okay, when someone starts learning security testing, right, they just want to find out like what exactly tool I have to use. Okay, they don't focus on manual. Okay, manual security testing, here a lot of knowledge resides here, guys. Okay, in security testing tools are nothing, guys. Knowledge matters. Okay, if you have good knowledge in security testing, you can have a good career in security testing. Fine, if you have good knowledge in the security testing, then you will have good career in security testing. But if you simply learn the tools and using the tools, if you are able to perform security testing, you will not have that much knowledge, guys. Okay, you are like a tool person. So in case of security testing, guys, okay, so first learn, first focus. Don't worry about the tools. Tools also we can learn at later point of time, but the main important thing is knowledge, guys. We need to increase our knowledge in security testing in such a way that without using tools also, we should be in a position to identify the security loopholes or vulnerabilities in the application. Later, guys, once you are good with this practice of manual security testing, where you are able to do on your own without using the tools, you have such kind level of knowledge in applying all the techniques in identifying the vulnerabilities, then guys, we can go with the tools. So first, we have to learn the manual security testing by increasing our knowledge in identifying the different security loopholes or vulnerabilities in the application. As a second step, we will learn how to use the tools. Learning tools is very simple, guys. Believe me, learning tools is very simple in security testing. It will not take that much time also. Okay. Manual learning is will take more time. Okay. It requires a lot of knowledge of different aspects. Okay. Once you are good with this manual, then plan for learning security testing tools, guys, which will not take much time. Okay, once you have this good knowledge, even understanding these tools also will become more easy, and you will be able to effectively use the tools, okay, for your security testing purpose. Tools are not bad, guys. Tools are also good because they make our job easy. But what matters before is knowledge, right? Knowledge matters. That's why first preference while learning security testing should be given for manually security testing, and second preference should be given for learning the security testing tools. So hope guys you understood the importance of manual security testing over security testing tools in this session. See you in the next session, guys. Thank you. Bye.